Road trips are the perfect excuse to snack all day long. So I'm going to show you guys the best car-friendly snacks and drinks for your road trip this summer. My best advice is to prepare all your snacks at home before you hit the road. You don't want to rely on fast food. First of all, it's expensive. Second of all, after eating that Big Mac and poutine, you're probably going to feel pretty tired, which isn't the best idea when you're behind the wheel. One of the easiest snacks to make for a road trip is trail mix. So I went out and got some yogurt-covered raisins, almonds, pretzels. You can make this as healthy or as sugary as you want. Now, I wouldn't recommend eating a full bowl of sugar, but to each their own. I don't judge. Peanut butter, Cheez Whiz, Nutella, all amazing stick-to-the-knife kind of spreads. You don't want to use something like jam that's going to slide off and cause a big mess in your car. These are for cookies, crackers, celery, you decide. Cheese. I don't know about you guys, but I can't live without cheese. And hard cheese is the best for a road trip because it's going to keep longer, and in the cooler, if it does start to warm up, it's not going to melt everywhere like a brie cheese would. So throw in some crackers, and you know what? If you're feeling adventurous, maybe you want to put some pickles in there too. Veggies are a great road trip snack. They're easy to pack, easy to share, super healthy, if you're into that sort of thing. Beef jerky. Do I really need to explain this one? It's a classic road trip snack. Bring it. So what about drinks? Do energy drinks actually work? Well, the short answer is yes. They're packed with caffeine and sugar, which is gonna give you that jolt of energy that you need. But be cautious, because they're also gonna cause sugar crashes and headaches, things you just don't wanna deal with on a road trip. So just grab a cup of coffee if you're feeling tired. It's got caffeine in there too, and not as much as this thing. Snacks? Check. Music? Check. Tune-up? Check. Lights? Check. Do-it-yourself garbage can? Check. Looks like you guys are all ready to have an amazing road trip this summer. I hope you enjoyed all of these videos. And remember, always take the scenic route. Bye.